Hello friends, my name is Pawan. So in this video series we will learn about the Spring Cloud API Gateway and we will do the request from the Spring Cloud API Gateway. So for that we will create one user service, one album service. Also we will integrate the Eureka Server also. After that we will we will add the Spring security in this user service, album service and Eureka Server. We will do the authentication, we will do the authorization and we will do the authorization by using the JWT token. And as we have the two services, so we have to secure this API. So we will learn how we can secure the API by in the album service and in the user service. And also one more thing, I already created one playlist that is the Spring Security and Zul API Gateway. So I will add the link in the description. Please check out. So after that, we will see the Feign Client. So we will do the communication by using this Feign Client between the user service and album service. And also we will see some example of the web client, how we can communicate by using the web client between the user service and the album service. After that, we will see one example, the data streaming example, that is the asynchronous call. So we will do the asynchronous call by using the web client. So we will see we will see this example in this series also. We will integrate the distributed log tracing system. So as we have these two microservice, right? The user microservice and album microservice, it is very difficult to track this request, how the request is go from user microservice to album microservice. Because in the production we have the many microservice. Suppose we have the 20 microservice, and it is very difficult to track the request, how this request is going from the multiple microservice. So we can track this request by using the distributed log tracing system. So for that we will configure the Zipkin and the Micrometer in our user microservice and album microservice. After that we will do some little introduction by using this Heap Dump, and for that we will use the VisualVM. After that we will configure this actuator in user service. So you will understand how we can configure it. After that we will configure the resilience. So after that, in the resilience we will configure the circuit breaker. Also we will do the rate limiter. This is the short introduction. We will see what is the rate limiter, and we will configure the retry and the bulkhead. But in this we will configure fully the circuit breaker and the retry mechanism in our APIs and in the microservice user microservice, and we will do the short introduction for the limiter and the bulkhead. If possible, I will add this CI/CD Jenkins all the tutorial in the same playlist, or otherwise I will create one separate tutorial for this CI/CD pipeline. Yeah, this is all about this the course, and please do like and subscribe for these videos. Thank you very much.